Discover the magic of the perfect espresso with the Breville Impress Touch Espresso machine. This top-of-the-line machine offers unparalleled convenience and quality in every cup. Its intuitive touch interface effortlessly guides you through the steps to prepare your ideal espresso, latte, or cappuccino, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Impress Touch doesn't just make your coffee, turns the process into an art form. The Impress Touch stands out for its ability to adapt to different types of milk, making it perfect for almond and oat milk lovers. The machine's intelligent design ensures that each brew is customized to your taste, offering the flexibility and precision that coffee enthusiasts dream of. However, keep in mind that the location of the water tank can be a little tricky under the cabinets, but it's a small compromise for the quality and ease it brings to your coffee routine. While the Breville Impress Touch is a significant investment, it is worth it for anyone who values exceptional coffee. Bring the sophistication of a coffee shop to your home, allowing you to enjoy barista-quality drinks at any time. Say goodbye to inconsistent coffee shop experiences and enjoy the luxury of brewing your perfect cup every morning. The Breville Impress Touch is not just a coffee machine, it is a statement piece that redefines your coffee experience. So, are you ready to impress your guests and enjoy cafe-quality espresso at home? Click the link in the description to get your Breville Impress Touch Espresso machine today and take the first step in transforming your coffee ritual. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me continue to provide you with valuable content. Stay tuned for more interesting reviews and tips.